Okay, I just received my copy of Nightingale, the Journal of the Data Visualization Society, and I'm so thrilled to open this. Woo! Kids table. Our very first print issue ever, spring 2022. This is so exciting. I have had such a small part in the editorial team for this issue, but I couldn't be more proud and excited to see this in real life, really. Honestly, guys, I'm so tired of screens these days. Seeing data visualization in print makes me so happy. And selfishly, so this is the culture issue. And of course, the first thing an editorial team member would do is look for their own name here. I really want to thank the editors for including me here to answer the question, what does culture mean to you? Culture is life, like a starter in baking, grows and shapes us through a mix of wild associations and intentional tending to keep it alive. Wow, I was feeling pretty creative that day, but honestly, just getting an opportunity to pull together pieces of the issue like this page, wrapping up some of the ends, while our designers and editors just put together this really beautiful issue around the idea of culture. Wow. In real life, in my hands. Thank you, Nightingale, for having me be a part of this. I can't wait to read it all.